What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tactical Black Guy here, also known as Preston. I appreciate you guys joining me for another video. Today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Springfield Armory Hellcat. Now, the Hellcat has been on the market for over a year. The MSRP on this gun is $569. Obviously, you can get it cheaper depending on where you shop. Now, the interesting thing about the Hellcat, it is branded as a micro compact gun with the highest capacity of any micro compact. So let's get into what you get in the box. The box is just a standard cardboard box. Open it up, you get a speed loader, you get the gun itself, you get two magazines. One is an 11 round magazine and the other magazine is a 13 round magazine. You get your manuals. And lastly, you get a lock. So let's go ahead and put all that to the side. I'm going to go over just a few of the specs of this gun. I won't go into too much detail. I'm going to save that stuff for the full review. So here's the starter show, the Springfield Armory Hellcat. The best thing about this gun is the capacity. So micro compact, you're getting 13 plus 1 in the chamber, so that's 14 rounds. This gun has a 3-inch hammer forged steel barrel. It is a polymer gun. It has an adaptive grip texture. The texturing on this gun is excellent. As I mentioned, you got two magazines, the 11 and 13 round magazine. The weight with the flush magazine is 18.3 ounces. With the extended magazine is 18.6 ounces. You got a overall length of 6 inches. And the height of this gun is 4 inches with the flush mag and 4.5 with the extended mag. The recoil system, you've got a dual captive recoil spring with the full length guide rod. Let's just see how the trigger pull is on this gun and the reset. So trigger pull, reset, awesome. So this is a really awesome gun. I haven't had a chance to shoot it yet, but once I shoot it, I'll do the full review. So the front sight, you've got a tritium luminescent front sight and then a tactical rack U-notch rear sight. So all in all, a pretty good package. Again, I don't like the price, but stay tuned for the full review of the Springfield Armory Hellcat. I'm Tactical Black Guy. I'm out.